How to turn on people you might know notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on people you might know notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in top corner, and after you click on it just go down until you find the settings, click on it and then click here this one, notifications, and go down until you find people you might know, click on it and turn everything on, and now just go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.